Lunatics donations. Why do we donate? Not only does Lunatics want to help the Luna Classic community by burning the supply of lung, but we also want to lend a helping hand to some great causes. Over the lifetime of Lunatics, we would love to reach out and make a positive impact on as many lives as possible. How do we donate? Lunatics will offer support in whichever way each individual cause may need it. This could mean buying supplies, paying for services, or anything else that is needed. We will donate directly from the Lunatics charity wallet to each cause helped, and we will follow the money trail of our donation and record the impact it had. Why Lunatics token does donate to Living with Autism? This cause has a personal connection to Crypto Rich, one of our core team members. Living with Autism has played a huge part in his family's life. This organization's location is also close to Rich, allowing us to follow the story of the organization but also allowing us to see how our donation has impacted these children's lives. Are Lunatics planning to donate more causes? We are planning on each team member to select a cause that is close to them personally and to their location. This will allow us to not only bring awareness but also allow us to personally follow the journey of our donation. Something I think the whole community would like to see. Lunatics staking. How many Lunatics tokens were staked in Lunatics' first staking round? Staking closed with 17 billion Lunat staked. Why was the first staking round closed? The first round of staking was a huge success, but also would not be sustainable for the entire life of the project. Will there be a second round of staking? If so, when? The second round of staking is open and you can go and stake. Will there be any limit for staking per wallet like in round 1? If yes, what will be the limit? Yes, there will be a per wallet limit on staking. It will be limited to 1% of the total supply. That equals 1 billion Lunatics tokens. If you plan to stake more, you will need to use a separate wallet. How is staking Lunatics token is different from staking on Terra Station? Staking your Lunatics tokens offers investor rewards in both Luna Classic, which people have come to love, as well as Lunatics token. Staking, or delegating as it's referred to, on Terra with a validator, requires the use of Luna Classic and rewards users with LUNC rewards. Staking, delegating, there also gives the validator the user chooses, a bigger voice in voting.